Hello everyone, my name is Devan. I am a CA intermediate student preparing for Group 2 examination in September 24th. As I cleared my Group 1 examinations in previous attempt, that is May 24, with decent marks. As I told you in previous video that I will be uploading a video regarding how I did my CA intermediate Group 1 preparations with no paid courses. Yes, you heard it right. I have done everything with free classes, and today I will be telling you all the free classes and materials that I used during my preparation journey. So as you all know, Group 1 examinations have 3 papers in total. First is Advanced Accounting, second is Corporate and Other Laws, third is Taxation. Paper number 3, which is Taxation, has 2 parts. First is Direct Tax, which is Income Tax, and second GST. So for paper 1 Advanced Accounting, I personally followed CA Parag Gupta sir's playlist, which is available on his YouTube channel. I would highly recommend to go for this playlist only, and if you want to refer revision videos of other teachers, you can. So अगर आप पराग गुप्ता सर की प्लेलिस्ट से पढ़ रहे हो, एग्जाम्पल है, आपने अगर कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट्स के लेक्चर देखे, लेक्चर्स देखने के बाद आपको जो भी क्वेश्चंस सर ने सॉल्व कराए हैं ड्यूरिंग द क्लास, आपको दोबारा से करना है वो चीज़, और जो हैंड रिटन नोट्स सर ने बनवाए हैं क्लास में, उसको एक बार और गो थ्रू करना है पूरा, और फिर जो मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चंस है, ICAI मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चंस है, उनको दोबारा से प्रैक्टिस करना है, जिससे आपका होल्ड है. पेपर नंबर 2 इज कॉर्पोरेट एंड अदर लॉज. फॉर दिस पेपर आई हैव पर्सनली फॉलोड दर्शन खरी सर प्लेलिस्ट विच इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. If you haven't attended any regular classes of any faculty, I would suggest if you have lack of time, I would suggest you should go for this playlist. These are the best classes you can find on YouTube for law subject. Also, after you watch a lecture, make sure to go through every topic and examples which sir taught from whatever material you have. For example, I followed ICAI material and I did nothing special from any other faculty's material. I only followed ICAI material. While doing questions, make sure you are doing it on a paper and not just reading the question from suggested material. As law paper requires a lot of writing practice, homework questions are one of the way which you can use to improve your writing. Also, if you want to revise law in the quickest manner possible, I would suggest you to go for Arjun Chhabra sir's playlist. I will give the link of this playlist in the description box. Make sure you check out. Let's talk about next paper, which is paper 3 Taxation. So it has 2 parts, Direct Tax and GST. First talk about Direct Tax. I did Direct Tax from Vijay Sarda sir playlist. He conducted fast track in month of January or February, I don't remember exact time. But for Direct Tax, I highly recommend you to do self-study along with the classes. If you are watching only classes and not practicing questions and not revising provisions, you end up achieving nothing. There are certain chapters like PGBP, capital gains, salary, which has lot of provisions, and summing up it is a difficult task itself. So it will make you sure that you are understanding each and every concept in detail and not compromising quality as it is past track lecture. Next is GST. For GST, I would highly recommend you to go for revision videos of Vishal Bhattar sir from V-Smart Academy, which is freely available on YouTube. I will provide the link for the same. And if you are studying GST for the first time, so don't go for revision videos, go for a fast track course or a regular course. If you have lack of time, then only you can go for revision. Many students fear GST, but it was the favorite subject of mine as it gives practical insights as well as it is fun to learn. GST is a vast subject, but it can be completed if you revised it 4 to 5 times before exams. Yes. It is not like a practical subject where you can revise 2 to 3 times and you are done with it. It is a theory from practical subject. It also involves theory as well as practical. So make sure you are doing numericals, but you are revising the provisions again and again. For example, 4 to 5 times before exams, and you are done with reviewing GST. Whatever playlist I recommended, I will upload the same in description box. Make sure you check out. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos related to CA Inter Group 1 preparation. Also, I will be uploading subject-wise strategy videos, what things I did during my preparation journey to pass the exams, as well as score good marks that helped me to secure aggregate. So I have applied for my certified copies of May 24 attempt. Once I receive those copies, I will make videos regarding paper presentation, my mistakes, what. Thank you and see you in the next video.